Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Satya Hinda Julianti from class 8 to 20 with NPM 061. Here I will make a video about an English assignment. Respiratory system in humans. Science lesson material for SD grade 5. The way humans breathe in is built in inhaling air and exhaling the inhaler air. The breathing process takes place automatically and also consistently. The air we breathe for you breathing process contains, for example, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. List of the content is a human breathing tool, a breathing process, a disorders of the human respiratory tool, and the four, how to take care of the lungs. The respiration system in humans. Here's the review. First is human breathing tool. The device used in inhale and exhale air is called respiratory in humans. The respiratory organ include the nose, larynx, windpipe, and larynx, as well as the lungs. The picture we can see the one nostril, epiglottis, two vocal cords, trachea, bronchioles, alveoli, heart, pleura, diaphragm, ribs, and breath muscle. The one is a nose. This part has a cavity that is insulated by the middle plane bone, the soft bone that separates the nasal cavity into two parts, namely the right nasal cavity and the left nasal cavity. Respiratory system in human. In the picture is cavities, small mucous membranes called nostrils, chill of the throat, saline, larynx, and laryngeal valve. Process in inhaling air through the nose is better than using mouth. The following are the effects of the breathing through the nose, namely the nose contains hair and mucous membrane of hair. The hair and membranes will filter against drops of dirt, that is the inhaler air. The nose will regulate the temperature of the incoming air. Normally, of hot body temperature is around 36 until 37 Celsius. If the air entering the body is lower in the temperature, the nose will release heat from the body so that the incoming air becomes warmer and vice versa. The C is the nose regulator, the humidity of the incoming air. If the incoming air is too dry, that what happens is that the walls of the nostrils will add the inhaler air which spare water vapor. The B is larynx. The larynx consists of a valve at the base of the windpipe and also consists of several cartilages that form the Adam's apple. The respiratory system in human. In the picture is one child. The two cartilage valve, the three cartilage cells, the four cartilage cup, the five cartilage ring, and the six trachea or windpipe. Windpipe. The C throat trunk. At the backs of the nasal cavity, there is a canal known as the windpipe or trachea. This section is combination of cartilage that has the form of a ring. The function of the windpipe is a place for the passage of air. In the picture, We can see one is a nose, mouth, and two is mouth, circles, and four throat, five plates, six throat valve opens, seven throat valve close. If there is dust of throat that enters the windpipe, the windpipe walls will rub against each other. Then there will be a strong gas of air so that a strong dust for uh, of air dirt can be thrown. If there is dust of dirt that enters the windpipe walls will rub against each other. Then there will be a strong gas of air so that a strong dust for uh, of air dirt can be thrown by, the fine hairs on the walls of the wipe. The T throat strap. We are two brains at the bottom of the windpipe. Each the holes leads to the right lung and the left lung. Like that windpipe, the windpipe bronchus consists of cantilever that has a ring-like shape. Bronchus pleural function is a place for traffic during breathing. And the E throat strength branch. Branches from the windpipe are 2 and 3 according to the number of lobes of the lungs. The throat spring which leads to the right lungs that's 3 branches, while the throat branch to the lungs has 2 branches. Each of these branch again into small tubes known as the bronch pleural, uh, very small bubble. The F is lungs. The location of the lungs or pulmo is in the chest cavity. Between the chest abdominal cavities is limited by a body cavity septum called in diagram. The number of lungs in human is a pair, namely of the lungs and right lung. The left lung consists of 2 lobes, with the right lung consists of 3 lobes. The membrane that covers the lungs is wrapped, namely a pleura. 2. Breathing process. There are 2 processes of breathing, namely in inhalation or inspiration and exhalation or expiration. Based on the way arders the lungs, the breathing process can be grouped into 2 types, namely the breathing and abdominal breathing. The one chest breathing, one when inhaling. The muscles that work when you inhale are the other ribs and the diagram. That diagram is the section between the abdominal cavity and the chest cavity. When you inhale, drop the muscle raise up the sternum, raise up forward the diaphragm front because the muscles contract. The two is on exhaling. When exhaling, the other rib muscles relax. The diaphragm returns to this original state, which is connects the chest cavity string so that air escape. B. Abdominal breathing. When inhaling, the other rib muscles and diaphragm will contract more forcefully. The chest cavity and the contents of the abdominal cavity are the compressed and the pressure in the chest cavity decreases. The two on exhale. When you exhale, the inner rib muscle contracts. Contracted muscle press against the diaphragm. The chest cavity is shrink so that the air in the lungs out. The three disorder of the human respiration tool. The better the breathing we do, the healthier our bodies are. Therefore, We must do the best breathing activity. Diseases that attack the human respiration tracts, for example, tuberculosis caused by the tuberculosis virus, asthma caused by the blockage of the respiratory tracts, sore throats, coughing, bronchitis, and colds. Therefore, how to take care of the lungs. Healthy lungs make the burning of food juice in the body run perfectly. There's the cell in the body will always get enough energy to carry out activity. The things that must be considered so that the lungs are always healthy, namely, one, uh, often breathe the deeply, doing sports in the open air, not smoking, the adequate rest. The house has a good air circulation. Maybe that's now from me. More or less, I apologize. I was asked to resign. That thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.